Hi guys, I'm back. I'm happy to see you again. Now I'm going to prepare my special breakfast, which I usually cook almost every day, if not every day. And it's pretty simple, and you can surprise your friends or your lovers or your family with this special breakfast. Now we will need a piece of brown bread, mushrooms, onions, of course eggs, a little bit milk, salt and pepper, and cheese. So what I'm gonna do right now, first I'm going to mix some eggs with the milk. Okay, that was too strong. We need 2 eggs basically. I'm cooking for myself, but if you cook for 2 or 3 people, you need double what I'm doing here. Okay, so 2 eggs, a little bit milk. Fork, we gotta mix it up. Until the color will be yellow. Now we put some salt. That will be egg mixture. Okay, with the eggs it's over. Now the next part, we will need cut mushrooms. If you want to cut it smaller, it's up to you. I like quarters, depends. Everything is personal here. Of course I washed it before the mushrooms, so I don't get any bacteria in it. Okay, so mushrooms is ready. You see, it's pretty quick. We send it to the pan. Now I'm gonna cut the onions. Again, it's up to you how you. I like smaller pieces. Nothing will stay. Bread. We cut at the cubes. Bread. I have small piece. Usually I take bigger one, but that's all we have right now. Set the medium fire. Leave it for like 5-7 minutes to shake it around, and once it's cooked, onion and the mushroom is cooked, I'm gonna add a little bit bread, then add my mixture with the eggs and milk, then again put some pepper and salt and put the cheese on it. Turn on medium fire, put some oil. Guess that's enough, and spread it evenly so it's cooked nice. All right, mushrooms and onions, I think it's cooked, so it's time to add some bread crumbs, or just bread, not crumbs. And then look, cook it together. The onion mushroom will give flavor to the bread, and vice versa, bread will give it back. So that's cool, that's what I like about it. So you don't have to use any bread later when you eat this omelet. Actually, I'll put a little bit salt before. Look at this beauty, oh. Perfect, amazing. If you have some parsley or onions, the greens onions, I mean, you can add also. I will add some cheese, Italian natural cheese. Just try it once and let me know in the comments down below whether you like it or not. We're going to a little bit roll it over a couple times. It's become like a cheesy, bready, onion, mushroom, like cute omelet. I should have added a little bit more oil because it looks like it was not enough. It's a little bit dry, but still good. That's it, our omelet is ready, and it's time to try. It's become very juicy, rich, with the all ingredients where I put it. Like, you don't need anything else. Of course, you can put the coffee. I like coffee and my coffee is ready right now. See you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching.